And when I go to add new prospect, I can put in all of the information that I did get from the person. And then I'd go down here to save prospect. And that is going to put them into my prospects. Import prospects. Can let me put everybody into a file if I want. And I can start a report just with my prospects if I want. Uh, and this is, my prospects are going to give me my loyal customers, my retail customers, and prospects are all right here. So if I just click on my loyal customers, it's showing only my personal loyal customers, and it'll show me whether they're ordering or not. So for instance, he's active, some people aren't active, canceled, this person canceled as a distributor, they're still active. This person, this is who I showed you my little thing. We begun enrollment. So anybody that's opts into my website, in the beginning when I showed you to do that / ultimate makeover, anybody who puts their information in there is going to pop up right here. And then if I click on the person, that's going to give me that person's all their information, their phone number, email address, all of it. I have access to all of it. It'll also show me the stuff they've ordered in the past, so I can tell them if I'm having a special on it or whatever. So this is where you really want to store those prospects when you get home from those expos, or if you get somebody's name while you're out and about. Now I want to take you to performance. And you can get the email or the numbers of all your personal loyal customers too. Now, when we pull up performance, this is what we're all going to see. We see this page right here, performance dashboard. This is going to tell us what we're currently being paid as. It's going to kind of give you that same information that we saw on the very first page with the box over here. That's all going to be right here too. Right here, though, this is kind of key. This box will be red. When this box turns yellow, that means that you are qualified to get paychecks. So either it's going to turn yellow on your auto ship date when your auto ship processes it out, as long as it's at least 80 BV, and or once your loyal customers, maybe you have enough loyal customers in the month, and once those loyal customers reach $150 altogether, then that's going to turn yellow, which means as long as this is yellow, then it would be okay for you not to have your auto ship that month. But I always tell people that what I like about this new system is that it tells us that. In the old system, sometimes we would count on loyal customers ordering things the same month that they did the last month, and sometimes people would count on that, so they would go, well, I know my loyal customers, they're going to order at least $150 altogether, so I'm just going to go ahead and cancel my auto ship. Well, that happened to one of my distributors once, and she counted on that, and a couple of her loyal customers changed their order, and what happened was she lost her $600 check. You cannot get a paycheck unless you spend at least $80 a month in this company. So I would always suggest keeping your auto ship. And besides, you're always going to need product, and you should be using it. If you're a really good distributor, you're going to use these products. So that's what this is right now. That's the magic number of what you and just your loyal customers have ordered this month. Now, if you click on Downline, that is going to show you your downline. I have 303 pages. It's going to go through everybody. Downline count tells you how many are in their personal downline. Underneath Barry is 1,300 of my people. Angie is 1,200 of my people. Amy Hurt has 97, 850 under Tara Buck. So you can see the different numbers right here. What level you're getting paid on for them. So Barry's on my first level. Angie, so I'm getting 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%. 10%, 10%, 10%, and then once you see 3, I'd be getting 5%. And now always remember to add an extra 5% if you personally enrolled that person. So for instance, I personally enrolled Barry under me, so he's on my 10% level, and I get an extra 5% on his volume because I enrolled him. This is where you can find your customers' email addresses, your distributors' email addresses. And when you put your downline, that's customers and distributors. So I'm going to show you a way to filter it out so you can only see distributors if you want, or only see customers. It's going to tell you what they were paid for last month, and it's going to tell you what they've been paid on this month. So for instance, you can see that right now, last month Barry was paid as a double diamond, but right now he's only a distributor because his auto ship hasn't hit yet. See, this is where we can see personal volume. So for instance, Angela Jockett, between her and her loyal customers, she's ordered $284 personally just between her and her loyal customers. Now, her personal volume is 119. POV is your personal order volume. So out of that 284, 119 of that is just what Angie personally ordered. The rest of that is her loyal customers. And then this 43,735, that's the total amount coming into Angie's downline. That's everybody under her. This is going to give me her auto ship date when it goes out. This is how I can keep track of when auto ships goes out. Are you commission qualified? Like I said, it's not going to say true until your auto ship hits or until that magic number gets to 150 and that red box turns yellow. Total commissions paid on, that says not applicable right now. It's not working right. And everybody says false for fast.qualified. That's not working yet in our computer. Now, I promised you I would tell you how to do a couple cool things here. So if you want to check out things you've done for February, let's say I want a certain person. I can just start typing in a name here. Sometimes it'll start pulling up the name, but I can just type a name in, press go, and that's going to pull up Caroline Bishop right for me so I don't have to search through anybody. I really like that. Now let's say I want to just pull up certain people. You're going to click on additional filters like I did right there. You're going to go to select title. So let's say I want to know who's not qualified in my downline, who yet hasn't had an auto ship run. I'm going to click that and account type. I want to know who hasn't had an auto ship run just for loyal customers right now. So I'm going to check loyal customer and I'm going to exit out. Status. Maybe I only wanted to know the US and 2 states. Maybe I want to know everything. So I'm going to just kind of keep that blank right now because that's going to give me everything. That's going to specify who you want to see. So if you only want to see Australia people, you can do Australia people. Now let's say I want to know who isn't qualified for the whole month. That's fine. But let's say I just want to know who isn't qualified on the 26th through the 27th of this month. After I put those in, I simply go up to go, and it's going to pull up everyone for me that fits that criteria. Right now I have no records that match that criteria. So let's do something different. Oh, I got to get Caroline Bishop's name out of there. So what we'll do is we'll do something a little bit different. I'm going to put in distributors. I want to know distributors. That enrolled between 2/26/12 and 2/27/12. Brand new distributors. This is showing me all the brand new people that have signed, and I only have 2 pages on those dates. So this will just bring up brand new enrollees. And what I like about this is that you can actually click, you can go to the first page, click right here, the box. When you click that box, it's going to check everyone. And I can actually go to here, which is pretty cool. Email checked. I can write an email to all my brand new people that just came in and say, hi, my name is Lisa Fuller. I'm your Triple Diamond Upline. Just wanted to say congratulations. Thank you for joining our team. Blah, 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 whatever you want to do. That's a huge tool to be able to do that, you guys, because you can really say hi to people, because when your business starts to grow big, it's hard for you to reach everyone. So this is a way that once a month, twice a week, whatever, you can go in and filter the dates and actually send out that new message just to distributors, and then you could send one out just geared toward the loyal customers. So basically, you want to make sure that you are utilizing these reports because it's just awesome. Now, if you click on Tree View, what you're going to see is something rather cool. This is going to show you everyone in your downline. So for instance, these are all of my people in my downline. right now. Just me personally. This is people I have personally signed into this business. And if you go over here, the colors represent who they are. So the peach ones are loyal customers. So these are all my loyal customers. You'll see them. The blue are distributors. So these are all my distributors that I personally signed, and I think there's 2 pages here. Prospects would be in that color, so you can see that. And then that turquoise blue is retail customers. But that turquoise blue, it also shows up when you're looking for people. So for instance, let's say that I want to click on just Barry. If I click on Barry, see what happens. Angie. Now what I can do is I can type in, let's say, Angela Jacket. Once I see Once I click on her name and press search, it's going to pull up Angela's entire downline. I love that because I can type in her name and now it stops. I see Angie, and then from her to the next blue is all hers. So that's all Angie's personally enrolled loyal customers and distributors. So I like that. And it goes to here. So that's pretty cool. Now if you go to graphical downline, this is what you're going to be using a lot. Barry's going to help you guys learn this if you call him too. This is what my organization looks like. So here I am in the middle, and you can see that all of my distributors are the first thing my lines go to. So these are all my distributors. These are all ones I just signed within the last 2 days. And basically, branching out from that distributor is all their people. So let's say I want to go look at Angela Jacket. I click right on Angie. And Angie's going to be in the middle now. Now I can see all Angie's personally enrolled distributors. And let's say I want to click on Angie's mom and see what she's got going on. I can see all that. And this everything is Angie's mom. Now what I like about this is you can actually show loyal customers too. So watch this. Click on loyal customer, apply filters. Now all of the loyal customers show up. So you can actually look at a person and go, okay, Cindy Craig has personally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 loyal customers. But now I want to know how many loyal customers Holly Jackman has. She has Vanessa and Priscilla as loyal customers. So, we're going to get more in depth with you here on that. And you guys can't hurt. Play around. Go in this. Play around. Look around. Click on everything. And then starting reports. Starting a new report's easy. What I love about reports is they save in your computer. So let's say you're at the end of the month and you want to know where everybody was at the end of the month. I can pull up what I want my report to be. I can go to additional filters, or I can just put in a name. And let's say I just want to do a report on Barry Hurt. I can just type in his name. It'll pull his name up, and I can click save report, start the report, whatever. And then next month, I can go back and click on the old report and go, okay, this is where he was last month. This is how much more he needs this month, blah, blah, blah. So it's a good way to help people in your downline. And like I said, all this sounds a little foreign right now, but you're really going to get used to it. And you're going to love the way it works. Volume totals by reps. If you click on that one, that's going to give me just the volume totals of my reps in the business. Brings them up. It keeps it a little bit more simpler. Volume totals by leg. So that, for instance, is going to give me every distributor and what their leg is. The volume total by reps just gave me Angie's volume personally. The volume total by legs is giving me Angie's total volume coming in from everyone. Barry's total volume coming in from everyone. Caroline Bishop's coming in from everyone. See? Total. Qualified legs by level. People that did their auto ship, have 2 loyal customers, are able to get paid. This 6 pages are showing me as of right now all of my people getting paid.